Okay, we are going to cook one. This is also some kind of exotic dish.
No.
Okay, yeah, but for me it is exotic. Okay, because I have never tried this one. Okay, this is the first time I'm going to eat this, and I'm just seeing this with my own eyes. First time, this is the first time.
You scared?
When I'm seeing itself, it's okay, but I want to try this one especially. Okay, first I will show you. See here, show this one. See, focus here. This is squid. இது ஸ்குவிட்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இங்கிலீஷில். கனவா மீன். ஓகேங்களா, நான் இதை பிடிச்சி தூக்கி காமிக்கிறேன்.
Hello.
See, tentacles are more. This one. See, this one.
You show the ears. Where?
See the eyes, and then I don't know about the ears. This is the one. Okay. இதுதான் கனவா மீன் தமிழில் சொல்லுவாங்க. இது பேர் கனவான்னு. ஓகேங்களா, ஸோ இதை நாங்கள் பண்ணி எப்படி சமைக்கிறதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். முதல்ல இதை வாஷ் பண்ணுவாங்க. இது வரைக்கும் இதை வாஷ் பண்ணுறது கூட நான் பார்த்ததே இல்லை. ஐ never tried this, never see this one, how they are washing, how they are cleaning also. This is the first time I'm going to do. Okay, so she will do this one and we will see how it is going to. First you show this. They want to see everything. How much it is?
For 1 kg is 160.
160. Okay, we'll try.
Oh. Hey! Lexi! Hey! Tani, bur-buribur.
You have to take out that one inside. You removed
No.
that one already.
No, it's just declared. Oh, see, what's this?
You lift up.
This one, see?
I
I will put grill one.
Oh.
This one for later I will grill. So I will put a little bit this one in order the taste will go. Oops. Hey! Some disturbances. So.
But it is very soft, right? When I'm touching it.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, once the dish is prepared. Okay, I am very excited to taste this one because this is the first time. இதுதான் முதல் தடவை. So first நான் இதை taste பண்ண போகிறேன். ஓகேங்களா, so this is the one, squid. See here, this one is marinated just and then fried. That's all, not too much this one. Okay, see here, everything. Once I am going to eat, I will break it and I will show you everything. Okay. And this one is Tulingan fish. Tulingan is same like Tamil என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா, something like small
tuna.
Sheila fish. Sheila like that they will tell. Sheila fish. Sheila. Manjaram in that like that they used to. Nice tasty one. And this is the one with sabao. Sabao means here it is a soup they used to tell. Okay.
You speak
Yes,
some
I
Ilocano.
used to talk sometimes here in Ilocano. As people they don't understand some English. Some people here everybody is in province, so they don't have that much to understand. So that is why I used to talk. See this one mixed with piyas. This one. Okay, this one is piyas and this is kamote leaf. I think, right? Kamote leaf. Kamote leaf.
Suddenly stop. Okay.
This is a soup. Okay, I will taste it now. It is sour. You know why? Because the pears. இது வந்து நெல்லிக்காய் மாதிரி தான் சொல்லுவாங்க. Pears, ஓகேங்களா?
What's that in Tamil?
Nellika in Nellika, that is like a round shape. This one is also we have, but the people don't mix that one. We don't use.
Oh.
See here. See kamote leaf.
Fresh.
Sweet potato leaves. ஓகேங்களா கொஞ்சம் நான் எடுத்துக்கிடுறேன் இது ஒன்று போட்டுக்கிறேன் ஓகேங்களா ஸோ the fish later I will taste because my wife used to eat this one. I like fried one. Okay, this is the I'm going to eat this one. It is a rubbery feel, like a rubbery one. See inside the juice is coming out. Okay, I'm not going to eat the full one because Rosie also shares something. இது வந்து அப்படியே ரப்பரி ஃபீல் தான் ஓகேங்களா ஸோ இது வந்து டென்டக்கிள்ஸ் ஓகே see this one is tentacles okay இது ஃபுல்லாக எல்லாமே அது மீட் தான் this is called they used to tentacles like that
You check the head.
see here head and this one is the eyes like that and this one also I will put I will eat first I will try the taste okay
You show that what's that inside? The head.
This is one. This is tentacles, like a jelly one.
Is what's inside the fat.
This one. See here. But inside it is not too much. Only the juicy part is there. I don't know. That is like a black color. Okay, I will use these tentacles. This one is rubbery. Very tasty. Nice. I like it. Little bit salty. The meaty flavor I can feel still. The smell also I can feel. The meaty taste. It's a rubbery one only. See? Yes. This one is completely sour. It will tickle.
How about the tulingan? How's that?
See the Tulingan. Nice, it's cooked nicely. See?
See the black one you see?
I like it. But,
You like? But the taste?
the taste is very nice. I like it. Okay, I have to finish up everything. See? The kamote leaf, this one also, and some tentacles I am taking. I will eat with the rice. Very healthy dish today. So we have another dish also, and I will show you on another video. Okay, and that is will be at next part. Okay, same. It is PUSIT, and I will show you Squid. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and share. And also the person who haven't subscribed, please subscribe our YouTube channel Twohungry Travelers.
No, the one who subscribed, you forgot the name?
Yeah, next time I will
The Irma
Irma
Vlogs, thank you for what.
Okay, thank you for watching and thanks for giving the comment also.
everything.
And God bless you everyone. Stay safe. Bye.